What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid level on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. Under the hood over on the driver's side, you're going to have your brake fluid reservoir right here. What you want to do is take a rag and just wipe the cap off if there's any dust in there. If you have to open it, you generally can check on the side and see where the level is. If the fluid's a little dirty, it's actually easier to see the level. So this is right up to the max level. If you have to add fluid, just pull this cap off. It just comes up. It doesn't twist or anything. It's just a rubber cap. Add your appropriate brake fluid. It says .3 fluid, so use only .3 fluid. Check the cap, see what it says. And then you can reinstall the cap. Just make sure it's pushed down all the way. And that should be good, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.